Hey, my name is Bhavani Kola. Welcome back to another session of Face to Face to Online Transition. Today, we will be learning how to make custom banners for different LMSs and MS Teams using Bitmojis and Adobe Spark. I promise it's going to be fun. So, without a further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in.
So the first thing that you need to do is to create your Bitmojis using your Bitmoji app. Once you do that, I have emailed all my Bitmojis to my email and I downloaded it on my computer. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of them. As you can see, I have a white background here, but your files need to be a PNG. So what I do is I go to the website called remove.bg, and then I use this website to remove the background. So let me show you how it's done. I'm going to go ahead and pick an image. Let's see, I'm going to go to my custom banner and I'm going to pick this image and I'm going to click open. And you see that my background has been completely taken away. And if you want to go ahead and edit it, you can go ahead and do that. You're going to go ahead, click erase, restore. I always try to go back and restore my eyes because sometimes, because it has a white background, it sometimes disappears. So once I am comfortable with the image that I have, I simply click download. And it's that simple. So once you have cleaned up all the backgrounds of the images that you want, you have to go ahead and create your project or your banner now. I use Adobe Spark. It's absolutely free to sign up, so you can go ahead and do that. So we are going to create a project that looks something like this. Let me go ahead and show that to you. It's going to take a minute to populate. So your banner is going to look something like this. So let's go ahead and create one. So once you're back in your Adobe Spark main page, you will go ahead and create a project. It actually gives you an options of what you want to create. You will go ahead and click custom size. And the size that you need for your banner is, or usually any banner would be 918 and 120 pixels. So I'm going to click next. Your banner is getting ready. It's going to take a couple of seconds to populate. And once it is here, if you don't like the white color, you will go ahead and click on colors to change it. I'm just going to shuffle. Yeah, I think I like, you know what? Let me change it. Um, you can actually change it to any color that you want. I think I'm going to keep it to the same color that I did before, but as you see, you have various options in Adobe Spark. And if you don't like the color, you can click change color and you can change it to any color that you want. And it will be changing right away. So it's totally up to you, whatever color you want, you can go ahead and do that. I'm going to change this one. Nah, yeah, this is good. I'm going to save that. Now so your plain banner background is ready. Some of the teachers or some of the educators, what they do is they try to pull up an image from Google that has a wallpaper and a floor and upload that, but I like to keep it simple. So I have a plain solid color background. I'm going to go ahead and click add. I want to add the Bitmojis that I just created. I'm going to click upload. And keep in mind, you will only upload the ones that don't have a background. So I went ahead and named them as no background. I will open that. Make sure you click move freely because you don't know where you want to place it. There you go. I'm just going to move it all the way to the right here. And I'm going to add one more just to show you. I will go ahead and say, yep, that picture of mine. I actually like that Bitmoji of myself. There you go. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. So in addition to adding your Bitmojis, you can also add photos. You can actually look up free photos from your Creative Cloud, Adobe Stock, or you can even add an icons. I'm going to add icon of a calculator because I teach a math class. Calculate, oops, later. and it's searching. So I'm going to go ahead and put that right here. Click on it. The calculator is right there. I am going to add an icon of um, graduation, and I have one right here. So it's adding a graduation picture. I'm going to show you how to change the colors as well. And let me say a cap and a gown. Yep, something like that. Okay, once I have this is just to give you an idea of what you can do. I'm going to click on the image because I don't like the color. I'm going to click on color and I'm going to simply change it to whatever color I want. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to change it to yellow. I'm going to click on the calculator, change it to blue. So the options are limitless. You can do whatever you want. You can add a picture of a blackboard. You can actually add a text. Let me go ahead and show that to you. You will type in your text. You can select what shape and font you want, or you can add your own text. I'm just going to say welcome, done. And it's right here. My welcome is right here. Let me move her to the side. Let me move myself to the other side here. And you can change the font of welcome. You can, yeah, that's good. Yep, actually, yeah. You can change the design. No, you know what? No, let me click on welcome. You can change the shape. I don't want any background. You can change the effects. How do you want it? You want it like a star? You don't want a background here. You can change the style, the color, the shape. I mean, if you browse through Adobe Spark, you'll see the options are endless. Here, you can go back and change the color of that. It also lets you change the color. You see, I have colors. I will swap. Or if you want to change everything to white, you're going to click on white. And if you want to extend it and make it bigger, you can do that. So Adobe Spark lets you do various things and lets you create custom posters and banners. I thought this was the easiest way to do it. You simply click add and play with whatever you want to add. You don't like the font, click on the font. It lets you pick the way it looks, the letters, the shaping, the color, the shape, the effects, however you want it. I'm just going to show you another shape, or something like this or something like that. I mean, the options are endless. Once your banner looks like the way you want it to be and you're happy with your banner, all you have to do is go ahead and click download. It gives you an option to download as a PNG. I highly suggest PNG because it is better for your graphics and it's higher quality. You will click start download and it will ask you, do you want a transparent background or you want a solid background? So if you want a transparent background, you don't want this green or whatever color this is, you can go ahead and click that. If you want a solid color, you can go ahead and click that as well. All right. And once you downloaded the image that you like, you simply go to your themes. You will, let me pull this down a little bit. You will go ahead and create your announcement. And on the left hand side, it gives you an option to upload an image. So you'll go ahead and click on upload image. Upload an image. You will go and see where you saved it. I have no idea where I did. Yeah, right here. And then you click open. You arrange it or you scale it to whatever you want and you click done. And bingo, your banner is right there in your team's classroom. Hope this helps and happy teaching. I would definitely love to see what you all have created and how creative you are. Enjoy.